Hi everyone, this is Dr. Amrika Sheshadri, and if you are planning to undergo any kind of gynecomastia therapy or gynecomastia surgery, you'll want to watch this video. This is a video intended to make you understand what gynecomastia is and whether there are side effects of surgery or adverse effects of surgery and so on. So what is gynecomastia? It is enlargement of the male chest, the male breast, so that it resembles more the female breast. I have videos about this. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 videos about this already. Now, what is this video about? If you're considering gynecomastia surgery, please understand A, that it is surgery. It is not some natural therapy. Please remember, natural doesn't always mean better. Arsenic is natural and so is ditch water. I really don't think we'll use those to treat any conditions anytime soon. But the point is, this is a surgical procedure. It is intended to sculpt your body into the best possible version of yourself. So, that said, pre-procedurally, please don't smoke. Please don't chew nicotine gums. Please don't do any of these things. These things hamper your recovery. Alcohol is also a big no-no. When you come for surgery, please understand that you've chosen the right surgeon. The right surgeon is a plastic surgeon, preferably someone with experience extensively with gynecomastia. Number 3, after procedure, please listen to all post-procedure instructions, such as wearing your pressure garment and at 2 weeks starting your scar massage, coming for regular follow-ups, and if you have like removable stitches, keep your appointments in order. Now, when should you not undergo gynecomastia surgery? If you have medical conditions such as high blood pressure, sugar problems, you're on blood thinners, or if you have a substance addiction or you smoke excessively, then you have to make sure that you modify all these factors so that your post-operative result is the best. Number 2, know your choice of surgeon properly, because this is the same surgeon who will be following you up post-operatively. So make sure you stay in good touch with your surgeon so that they can help you on your recovery and journey. Number 3, when your surgeon clears you to go back to the gym, please go back to the gym. So when we do gynecomastia surgery, we basically just flatten the chest out completely. We don't touch your pectoral muscles. Those are the chest muscles, yeah, but we do flatten it out. So to get that nice sculpted up top look, you really do need to go back to the gym and work out. So what are the side effects of surgery? Number 1, if your medical management of, like, say, sugar or BP problems, etc., is poor, then you may end up with a water collection or a blood collection inside the operated area. Thankfully, these are treated with just removing it out with a syringe. Number 2, if you do not comply with post-procedure instructions, the shaping, the final look may not come. So I suppose you can term it a side effect because of non-compliance. Number 3, infection, which is very rare. It's one of those once in a lifetime events that occurs, not your lifetime as in the surgical lifetime of the surgeon, and it's so rare that it is an asteroid event. And number 4, you may be not very pleased with like your post-operative results. What's really important here in this particular effect is to go back to your surgeon, explain your needs, and then I am sure that we'll find a way around this to the satisfaction of both the patient and the surgeon. I hope you got a lot of info out of this video. Remember to share, like, and subscribe.